Hello there and welcome to your Thursday afternoon forecast. Well, for the rest of today, we are seeing outbreaks of rain migrate their way northwards. A lot of wet weather around. It will be fine for Scotland though until evening time and overnight, where there is a weather warning for some heavy rain across the southern Highlands. Breezy across many areas, and in the south a weather warning does remain in force for that heavy rain across southern and central parts of England and Wales. You can see it pushing up from the south as we head through this morning into this afternoon. So heavy bursts to come through the day and quite a breeze as well. So a lot of spray on the roads, surface water, poor visibility, particularly where we see that driving wind. The wind extends up towards the Irish Sea as well as Northern Ireland, where we continue to see a feed of showery rain, and quite a brisk breeze for the Northern Isles, with some outbreaks of rain reserved for Shetland. In between for Scotland and in fact for northern England through until probably late afternoon. We'll see some drier weather, even a hint of sunshine coming through Caithness, perhaps even border regions, Cumbria as well as Northumberland. In the south, temperatures 11 or 12 degrees Celsius. Further north, it's going to be 9 or 10. And then overnight, we watch as this first batch of rain extends towards Scotland, up towards the northwest of Scotland. Then another batch of rain moves in from the south through the early hours of the morning. Now, the land is very saturated, so we could see even more localised flooding, particularly in the south, where we see that warning. And that warning extends from central parts of Wales down towards more southern parts of England. Temperatures overnight are going to be relatively mild, but certainly it is a wet start to the day. Anywhere from East Yorkshire, the Midlands, home counties, central southern England. This batch of rain here, which bothered Scotland overnight, and again could have caused some flooding across the southern Highlands, will extend towards the Northern Isles and the Western Isles. And here it will turn more showery through the day. And those showers will clip western parts of Scotland and perhaps even Northern Ireland as we head through Friday morning. Some showers likely also for Wales as well as the West Country. So it is a messy situation. Rain or showers are never too far away, but not a particularly cold start to Friday morning. Through Friday then, we watch as this area of rain will gradually clear towards the North Sea. Before it does though, it could clip the far northeast of Aberdeenshire up towards Shetland yet again with a stronger wind. In its wake, we'll see showers towards the west. Showery rain continues across northern counties of England, down towards East Anglia. And then we'll see the cloud break across the West Midlands, Wales, central southern England, as well as the West Country. But showers never too far away here. And again, a breeze coming in from the southwest, keeping temperatures around double figures. But further north, it's 7 or 8 degrees Celsius. And again, the cloud coming and going. The bigger picture into the weekend. A weather warning remains in force for southern parts of England, and that's because this area of low pressure will skirt across these parts, bringing with it some outbreaks of rain. Breezy, particularly across the eastern side of England. Elsewhere, the weather remains fairly benign through Saturday into Sunday. You'll see some dry conditions, perhaps 1 or 2 showers towards the west, but then that rain turns more showery in the south as we head through Sunday. And again, the breeze will pick up some strength. Breezy on Sunday across the north and the west of Scotland, and this occluded front here will introduce more showers, particularly for the western side of Scotland as well as Northern Ireland, where we could see quite a strong wind for a time across the north coast. All in all, the weather remains fairly unsettled in the south, but the most impactful weather is likely to be tonight across Scotland, with that rain pushing across. So let's have a look and see how the weekend is panning out. So for Saturday, Belfast seeing more in the way of cloud. We'll see brighter skies towards the eastern side of the country, but in the south, yes, always a chance of cloud and outbreaks of rain. Clouds spilling ahead of it across England and Wales. Come Sunday, mostly dry, although again, as I said, we will see some showery bursts of rain across the western side of Scotland through the day, and we will see a few showers across the south coast. All in all though, not a washout the weekend, and certainly many of us seeing some drier weather, a bit of patchy frost by night, and by day temperatures about average for this time of year. Bye-bye.